So I was outside working, and whew, there's a lightning bolt. And this just popped up out of nowhere. Check out the radar. The blue arrow is where I'm at. Woohoo! Never a dull moment in Oklahoma. Cool things right off nice too. Looks like I don't have to water. Did you say torrential summer downpour? Holy schmoly. Oh my goodness. Woohoo! Look at that. Almost raining sideways. Got a freaking flood going on down here. Flooding right out front. Look at that.
The threat for damaging wind and some hail. There may also be some localized flash flooding. So we have to watch out for that here in about the next 45 minutes. Again, this warning goes to about 5:15. So you can see it has a decent amount of lightning with it.
Never a dull moment in Oklahoma. That was nuts. Thanks for watching.